another year to look forward to with much hope and another chance to do better. That's why, gusto ko rin na mas lalo pang mag-level up sa lahat ng aspeto ng buhay ko ngayong bagong taon. And I'm just truly happy na maraming tao ang nagtitiwala sa akin. Because of them, I am blessed with lots of opportunities. Katulad na lang ng bagong endorsement ko para sa Sanyang Furniture. Hey guys, dito kami ngayon sa Pasay City, dito sa Furniture Republic para po sa photoshoot ng bago ko pong endorsement with Sanyang Furniture.
Today we're shooting the Sanyang Furniture shoot of Sarah J. Merong casual, meron naka-uniform siya, meron yung bedroom, and then meron din tayong medyo glam up na.
For Sanyang, marami tayong looks na ginawa. I think we had 12 looks. Starting from at home, relaxed scenes at home, until she had glamour shots. And then we also had the glamour at home shots.
The first layout of the office, yeah, I made Sarah wear beige trousers, white button down, and then a blue blazer. Very young professional lang yung look niya.
Well, it was a challenge kasi you have to sell both the star and the items, the product of what we're going to showcase. First layout, we had to finish all the dropouts lang for the first layout. We had the direction that we had to sell the chair more than the table, so it became easier.
Ang galing, nakakatuwa na talagang lumalawak yung kumbaga yung produkto na nai-endorse ko sa mga tao. Thank you po, Sanyang.
The second one, the black Sanyang uniform, provided naman nila yun. So I just paired it with the beige Unica pants and then heels.
We feel that the brand is loved by the masses, so who else can bring us closer to them other than Miss Sarah Geronimo, who everybody loves? So this collaboration is a fusion of a thing and a person that everybody loves and can feel good about.
And then the next one, it's a white polo and then denim jeans.
Our photographer really helped out with the poses, but there are some which we thought of before this day kasi we feel na magagamit namin yun ng ulit-ulit. There are thematic poses which we could use for the sale material, for the new arrival, later on the campaign namin, and others.
Now, I feel blessed at grateful ako, syempre, dahil meron na namang isang kumpanya na nagtiwala sa atin as an endorser, ang Sanyang Furniture. At sobrang ako na-enjoy yung shoot kasi na-amaze ako sa products nila, yung mga furniture. Nakakatuwa.